In this video, I'll show you how to cancel cash out on Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Okay, so Cash App to Cash App payments or cash out are instant and usually cannot be canceled. To be sure, check your activity feed to see if the payment receipt or the cash out is displaying a cancel option. All right, that's the first thing you need to do. And the recipient can also refund your payment. You just need to ask them to tap the activity tab on their Cash App home screen, select the payment in question, tap and select refund, and of course, they need to press OK. Finally, you can ask the request button on your Cash App home screen to ask for the funds back. All right. The second option thing is simply, you need to simply contact the Cash App support. By doing so, go to your profile icon at the top, hover down below where it says support, all right, and tell them you are having problems canceling your cash out on the Cash App, or you want to have some solutions to your problem in canceling cash out on your Cash App, all right, and they'll be more than glad to help you and assist you and provide solutions to the issue you are having problems on your account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.